Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm gonna show you guys my new bathroom project, which I also did earlier this year for my house. So the first I'm gonna show you guys is ambient lighting. So I'm gonna turn this one on, and you can see my wall-hung toilet has an underneath LED lighting. So it's illuminating. So that's here. Let me turn off it, and you guys can see that again. Turn it on. So the lighting also came from here. That's a great feature. This is IKEA, you know, stuff, cheap stuff. I got the mirror, and they are all running on a timer. And the last, I got these. Yep. So the shelving is also have illuminated. So this bathroom, the most challenging part is to change, the original floor-seated toilet. I hope I'm using the right words. Then convert into the wall-hung toilet system. So that day took like a couple days, get the job done, and I had a hard time, removing the concrete, to get the job done. So, but luckily everything went smooth. Let's flushing the toilet. It's right from here, and this one is removable. I can check inside if it's needed, and the toilet works great. So this bathroom is our downstairs half bathroom. And after demolition works, I got the new vanity. So the vanity top is like gray color. Then I think, okay, I'm gonna match the flooring to the gray too. So there you go, guys. Check the flooring. They are not like 100% same tone, but they match pretty well. Let's have a tour to the bathroom. So I really hope I can show you guys some picture of before and after, but right now we only have the after. That's because I didn't took any footage or picture before. I wasn't thinking I'm gonna do a YouTube video to demonstrate this to you guys, but it turns out everybody loved this new bathroom remodeling. All the guys, all the families, and so I think, okay, I'm gonna share with you guys, and it's a great idea because lighting literally changes everything. Lighting is so important. Without all the lightings, it won't look so good here. So even though there's no picture of before, but still I got some picture of doing the jobs. I can demonstrate you guys how mostly the job's done, but it's for demonstration purpose only. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time.